Hello, marketers. While you're wasting time trying to engage on every social media platform, you need to take advantage of opportunities to nurture lasting relationships with leads. You need powerful CRM software that lets you manage leads from LinkedIn, Twitter, and email in one place, so you can focus on relationship building.
So today, I will discuss one such CRM software.
So, let's get started. The software that I will discuss so far is BreakCold. BreakCold is a sales CRM that helps you build and nurture POOB relationships through LinkedIn, Twitter, and email in one place.
Features:
Engage with leads via LinkedIn, Twitter, and email from one platform. Curate segmented lists of B2B contacts to keep your outreach organized.
Create custom sales pipelines with as many stages as you want. Send unlimited cold email sequences and personalized messages with custom variables. Engage prospects, existing clients with a prospecting feed. Send emails, LinkedIn and Twitter messages in one place. Always reach your sales quota with a sales pipeline. Manage BreakCold CRM from LinkedIn.
engage on behalf of your teammate or client.
Contact warm and cold prospects with automated email sequences. Grow your sales skills with the BreakCold Academy.
And more. Price:
Discovery. Discover BreakCold's next gen CRM. This is a free plan. Cold CRM for startups and SOMs that need a modern CRM for $29 per month. BreakCold Plus for startups and SMOMs that need an all-in-one sales tool for $49 per month. But they have 4 lifetime deals. License Tier 1. 3 slots can be allocated to Twitter, LinkedIn, or email accounts. Unlimited users and Zapier integration API access for $39 instead of $348. License Tier 2. 5 slots can be allocated to Twitter, LinkedIn, or email accounts. Unlimited users, Zapier integration API access, campaign analytics, and cold email campaigns for $99 instead of $828. License Tier 3. 10 slots can be allocated to Twitter, LinkedIn, or email accounts. Unlimited users, Zapier integration API access, campaign analytics, and cold email campaigns for $199 instead of $1,428. And License Tier 4. 25 slots can be allocated to Twitter, LinkedIn, or email accounts. Unlimited users, Zapier integration API access, campaign analytics, and cold email campaigns for $299 instead of $3,228. Features included in all plans. Company news aggregation.
Like and comment on LinkedIn and Twitter posts.
LinkedIn posts and tweet tracking. Quick LinkedIn and Twitter direct messages and emails. Prospecting feed and prospecting feed pipeline.
Activity sync, team engagement, sales pipeline, unlimited contacts with custom fields, email verifier.
Customer review. You will be amazed if you see their reviews.
They have 31 reviews on the Appsumo.
And Product Hunt has 59 reviews. So take advantage of this opportunity to save time and increase productivity. Check the link in the description for a lifetime deal and an extra 10 discount today. Remember to comment if you need a review of any software. Oh, wait. If you need a video editor, audio engineer, or YouTube manager, feel free to contact us. See you in the following video. Thank you.